Welcome back, dear friends. Hope you are all well. Today we talk about natural remedy. Throughout history, for thousands of years, people have valued the natural treatment that may be made with castor oil and baking soda. The combination of these two components is remarkable, as seen by the ancient Egyptians who valued castor oil for its potent medicinal qualities and the modern home that uses baking soda for everything from cleaning to medical treatments. Together, they provide a straightforward yet effective remedy that can address a wide range of medical conditions. This investigation will show you not only how they complement one another, but also why they are so successful and how to apply them in your day-to-day activities for improved general health. To start, let's talk about castor oil, which is derived from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. This thick, viscous oil has been used for centuries in various cultures. Ancient Egyptians applied it to wounds to prevent infections, while in traditional Chinese medicine, it was used to support digestion and reduce inflammation. Castor oil contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which is largely responsible for its healing properties. This fatty acid has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and pain-relieving properties, making castor oil a favorite natural remedy for treating a variety of ailments. Perhaps one of the most remarkable aspects of castor oil is its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin and tissues. This is why it is often used topically for ailments like arthritis, joint pain, and muscle soreness. It not only provides surface-level relief, but also works to reduce inflammation in the deeper layers of tissue. This is especially beneficial for people suffering from chronic pain conditions. By applying castor oil to affected areas, people can experience relief without needing to rely on over-the-counter painkillers, which often come with unwanted side effects. Castor oil is frequently used to enhance the health of the skin, in addition to its function in pain relief. Because of its thick nature, it works well as a moisturizer for dry, irritated skin. Eczema and psoriasis, which are frequently brought on by inflammation and a weakened skin barrier, can be relieved by it. Castor oil helps restore the skin's natural protective barrier by sealing in moisture, which lessens the likelihood that these problems will return. Furthermore, because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities, it is the perfect treatment for acne, a condition brought on by bacterial infections and clogged pores. Castor oil can be used regularly to treat acne without making the skin dry, which is a common side effect of conventional acne treatments. For those interested in natural beauty remedies, castor oil is also a popular choice for promoting healthy hair and nails. When applied to the scalp, it can stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. This is particularly useful for people experiencing thinning hair or hair loss. Many beauty enthusiasts swear by castor oil for its ability to strengthen hair, making it shinier and less prone to breakage. Similarly, when applied to the nails, castor oil helps to prevent brittleness and strengthens the nail bed, leading to healthier, longer nails. Now let's shift our focus to baking soda, a common household item that is often underestimated when it comes to its health benefits. Known chemically as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is a natural alkaline compound. This means that it has the ability to neutralize acids, which is why it's commonly used as a remedy for conditions like heartburn and indigestion. When consumed in small amounts, baking soda helps to balance the pH in the stomach, providing relief from acid reflux and discomfort. But baking soda's benefits go beyond just easing digestive issues. It has been studied for its potential in supporting cancer treatments. While baking soda is by no means a cure for cancer, research has suggested that its ability to alter the pH of the body's internal environment can enhance the effectiveness of conventional treatments like chemotherapy. Tumors often create an acidic environment, which can help them grow and spread. By introducing an alkaline substance like baking soda, some scientists believe that the acidic environment can be neutralized, making it harder for tumors to thrive. Though this is still an area of active research, it highlights the wide-ranging potential of baking soda as more than just a kitchen staple. Topically, baking soda is incredibly versatile. It can be used as a mild exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and leaving the skin soft and refreshed. Unlike harsher exfoliants, baking soda doesn't irritate the skin, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin who still want the benefits of regular exfoliation. Its antimicrobial properties also make it a popular ingredient in DIY face masks and scrubs, as it can help clear up acne and prevent breakouts. Baking soda is frequently utilized in oral hygiene in addition to its role in skincare. Because of its capacity to lessen plaque accumulation and combat gingivitis, it is an essential component in many toothpastes. Baking soda's abrasive properties aid in removing surface stains from teeth, giving them a brighter, whiter grin. Additionally, because of its alkalinity, which lowers the incidence of cavities and foul breath, it helps to balance the pH in the mouth. To further enhance their oral health, some people even use a mouthwash made of baking soda and water. When you combine castor oil and baking soda, the result is a powerful remedy that can be applied to a wide range of health conditions. One of the most popular uses of this mixture is for treating skin infections and irritations. Castor oil's antimicrobial properties help to fight off bacteria and fungi, while baking soda's ability to cleanse and neutralize irritants makes it ideal for soothing inflamed skin. Together, they work to heal skin infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and other fungal conditions. For joint pain and inflammation, castor oil and baking soda create a powerful anti-inflammatory combination. When applied to sore joints or muscles, castor oil penetrates deeply into the tissues, providing relief from pain and reducing swelling. Baking soda's alkaline properties further enhance this effect by neutralizing acids that can contribute to inflammation. Whether you suffer from arthritis or experience muscle soreness after a workout, applying this mixture can provide fast, natural relief. One of the lesser-known benefits of this combination is its ability to promote lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by removing waste and toxins from the tissues. When the lymphatic system becomes sluggish, toxins can build up in the body, leading to fatigue and other health issues. Castor oil and baking soda can help stimulate the lymphatic system, promoting better circulation and helping the body to eliminate toxins more effectively. This cleansing effect can leave you feeling more energized and refreshed. Additionally, the mixture works incredibly well for minor wounds, cuts, and scratches. Castor oil's thick consistency forms a protective barrier over the wound, and its antibacterial qualities aid to prevent infections. On the other hand, baking soda purges the region and eliminates any irritants or dangerous microorganisms. When combined, they encourage quicker healing and lower the chance of scarring. Because of this, the castor oil and baking soda mixture works well as a natural first aid cure. For people with sensitive skin, the combination can also be used to treat allergic reactions. Castor oil's soothing properties help to reduce redness and inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes irritants that can cause itching and discomfort. Applying this mixture to affected areas can provide relief from allergic reactions without the need for over-the-counter creams or medications, making it an excellent option for those who prefer natural treatments. In addition to its topical uses, this combination can also be used for internal health. When consumed in small amounts, baking soda helps to balance the body's pH, reducing acidity and promoting better overall health. Castor oil, when taken internally in moderation, can support digestion and act as a gentle laxative. This makes the two ingredients an effective remedy for people dealing with digestive issues like constipation or acid reflux. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before using castor oil or baking soda internally to ensure safe use. Furthermore, castor oil and baking soda can be used for detoxification purposes. Castor oil packs, a common naturopathic treatment, involves soaking a cloth in castor oil and placing it on the body to stimulate circulation and promote detoxification. When combined with baking soda, these packs can enhance the body's ability to eliminate toxins through the skin. This method is often used in holistic healing practices to support the body's natural detoxification processes. In the beauty realm, this combination can be used as a powerful natural remedy for skin and hair care. For example, people with dry or damaged hair can use castor oil and baking soda as a pre-shampoo treatment to nourish and strengthen the hair. The combination works to moisturize the scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote healthy hair growth. Similarly, those with dry or irritated skin can use this mixture as a moisturizing mask to soothe and hydrate their skin. This remedy is also known to rejuvenate tired, puffy eyes. The fatty acids in castor oil help to hydrate the delicate skin around the eyes, while baking soda reduces puffiness and dark circles. Applying a small amount of this mixture to the under-eye area can make you look more awake and refreshed, reducing signs of fatigue and aging. Natural health aficionados love the ease of use and potency of castor oil, with baking soda as a cure. These two readily available and reasonably priced substances have several uses, ranging from the treatment of skin disorders to the enhancement of general well-being. This combination includes benefits for pain relief, skin health, and supporting the body's detoxification process. You may harness the potent healing powers of castor oil and baking soda into your everyday routine to experience improved health in a natural way.